Hi, this is Erica Stone, and I want to introduce you to my product, AZON Breeze. I've been coaching people on becoming successful Amazon affiliate marketers for years, and I build my own affiliate marketing sites as well. One of the things that frustrates me constantly is the need to have to create the HTML inside my posts to format my Amazon affiliate links and calls to action. Over the years, I've customized a WordPress theme to work for me along with custom post types that allow me to more quickly create the posts I want to publish on my site so that I don't have to worry about the HTML that goes into the posts. This package is more than just the WordPress theme. It's actually an entire site set up with WordPress installed, plugins configured just the way I would do them on my own site, a PDF document that will walk you through each of the keyword strategies that I use for posts that I publish on my site, and the 4 custom post types inside the WordPress theme to make it easy for you to publish posts the same exact way. This is the look of the site. It's a magazine style theme. You can actually add another sidebar, either over here or over here. You can change the size of these photos that you have on the home page, shrink them to give it more of a magazine feel. But really, this will work for either a blog style site or a magazine style site. This is how the theme will not have the content, of course, when you put it on your own site, but in the background, you'll see that you will already have plugins installed, same ones that I use on my sites. All the settings are in place except for the few that need to be customized to fit your own niche, so you won't have to do the work to install and configure every plugin on your site. But what's really important is these 4 custom post types right here. There's one post type that features a single product. There's the multiple product post, which is a list of 5 products, 5 affiliate marketing products inside. A list post that is also a 5 product post, but gives you more writing space. And you can write how-to posts. These are all pre-formatted. Let's take the single product post and let me show you how this custom post type makes it easier for you to create affiliate marketing posts for your site. We'll simply open the option to create a new post, and you'll see that the editor screen looks very different from traditional WordPress. Up here, I've already written some content for a product. Let's say that I want to promote this fireman themed bookshelf for kids. Back in my post, I would add a title, and the PDF will explain to you my exact strategy for coming up with post titles that are keyword oriented. And then you can see the fields here are set. SPP retailer means, do you want to promote Amazon, or you could promote someone else. Could be any other affiliate program. But in this case, I'm going to do Amazon. My tracking ID is already in place. All I need to do in Amazon is copy this ASIN number right here out of the address bar, go back to my post and paste that into place. And then each section that allows for written content provides instructions to you on what to write about, how to write it, how many sentences you need, so that you don't have to stress over what you're going to put in each post. I've already written the content, so I'm just going to paste in a few sentences there. I'm going to do a second sentence. Again, I've already written this over here. I just don't want you to have to watch me type. So I'm going to put this in here. The second sentence. I'm going to put something in the sentence 3 field. I'm going to write a few, or copy my final sentence into the this final field, and then I'm just going to copy my first sentence and make that my post excerpt. I'm going to pick a category and publish the post. And when it comes up and is live, we'll take a look at it. And you'll see that the product image is already in place. The check price button on Amazon is in place. My writing is in place. And I didn't have to worry about any HTML. Basically, the theme has code in the background that takes care of the formatting of the product image and the buy button. All I had to do was paste the product's ASIN number from Amazon into this box, and that was it. See how quickly you can create a single post like that. And the same thing goes for these other post types. So a multiple product post, the list post, they have all of these fields laid out for you that tells you what to write about. And the PDF guides you through the keyword strategy for every single one of these post types. I have found that this saves me a great deal of time so that I can focus on writing content, which I know is the true value in being a successful Amazon affiliate marketer. This avoids all the issues of you having to rewrite content on themes that are designed for Amazon affiliates that do nothing but scrape content. This allows you to write unique content, but more quickly and without having to worry about HTML. When you buy AZON Breeze, you get a set of files with WordPress set up, the plugins and the custom post types all ready to go, and instructions on how to put those on your own domain. And if you have any questions, I'm here for support. Thank you.